Okay, so I had done some few improvement in my application analytics chatbot. So some few additional improvement I've added, like in the for the RAG system I implemented also GraphDB support, and I created some more dashboard enhancement as well. So that I want to discuss in this video. So let's dig down to the app and see what are the new feature that comes in my app. And at the same time, I also implemented some admin panel feature where some user can user can manage some permission related stuff in the application itself. So let's visit the app and see what are the few improvements that have been done here. So let me summarize my app itself. So it's a basically analytic application where user connect its database, like client will connect its database to this application, and what he can do, like he can user can query, and simple normal text you can put with the agentic application flow, so it can generate reports out of it. It can answers according to your question, like pulling out of the data from the database, and it can really handle a lot of data from the system. Really large data set it can handle. Both the sides, it is pretty optimized and based on the microservice architecture. So, you can create dashboard, schedule activity, and generate a couple of reports out of it. So, with your own requirement and all. So, you can get the dashboard, you can further dig down to the charts and get more answer out of it. It can give you more statistical data like mean, median, mode, and all this stuff. It can give you also the query support and lot of features like insight, explain, and lot of things it can present to the user so that user can understand the thing in a even further way. So for more details, you can visit my previous version videos where I added rest of the functionality, whatever it supports, like future prediction and all this stuff, scheduling activity and all these things like how domain wise configuration we can do and all. So recently also I had also more some improvement. So before what was happening, like we also need to configure for the database, for the client database. So that's also recently automated. So even like connecting to a new database, so within just a command, the respective RAG system will be auto configured, so that developer also don't need to spend much time to configure this thing for this application. Okay, so let me visit you this admin panel what I have recently added here. So you can see the design has also been changed. So let's go to this. So here you have the user and group kind of permission level and all. So you can create multiple roles, multiple groups or roles you can consider. So you can create groups, and accordingly you can give permissions to the respective groups in the group permission. So you can see like I had some multiple groups here, and like it has some respective permission, 30 and 33 permissions, some have zero permissions. So accordingly you can configure yourself, and you can as you can users those you can create user, and you can assign to those users to the particular groups, so that the user particular the user can have the respective permission for the groups it has been assigned. So you can see like how the groups has been given permission, and like this you can edit and give permissions, like what API has the permission, what UI component the user like accordingly you can allow and restrict the user for using those respective features. And there is a new feature also introduced, the stable restriction. So what the stable restriction is, it's a very critical feature. So basically, you can what you can do, like you can put restrictions here. So what domain and there are multiple stuffs are there. So you can put rest like assign the group role and all this stuff, and then you can put like block or allow or read only and accordingly, and you can just restrict the user for those accessing this tables, whatever you want to uh, restrict for the user itself. So you can see like for sales, these are the respective tables that client has. So suppose a particular roles you don't want that role to be access this tables here throughout the system, because there might be client require might be some specific table to be hidden from the particular group of users to be access and see those data. So that can be that it can be restricted by using this table restriction. And this audit log also, whatever the permission role you will someone assign and remove, so it will be uh, accordingly, it will be you can see this in this audit log itself. So this is one feature related our admin panel that newly introduced, and I'll take you to this dashboard thing. So what this dashboard is basically, I mean, you can just put prompt. So suppose I'll put something sales order average something average order value. Cost. Okay, I'm not very good at prompting like what the dashboard should look like, but I can put some random prompt so that it can generate something that I can show you. But any type of dashboard and or whatever you require, you can just put accordingly any technical kind of dashboard as well. So LLM will decide like what kind of dashboard it can generate, and like in the front end you can visualize and see those dashboards whenever you want. So I don't have very dash knowledge on the dashboard. What technical details need to be added in dashboard? So I am not able to right now prompt what any technical dashboard with specific knowledge kind of thing. But any generic thing I'm like writing, trying right now for you. Okay, cool. So our dashboard got created and it also phased right now. So sales order analysis dashboard, you can see one has been generated, and one is revenue, monthly revenue, and this is what revenue by sales representative, and the chart is loading. So this is discount versus revenue. This is one chart, but I guess like there is no data, that's why it is showing blank. But you can come here and see. So this is a grid feature recently introduced. So you can see like it can more over like look like some advanced dashboard like Power BI. So there can be more and more dashboard can be added accordingly like with the respective requirement, and you can visualize like this. You can edit, and suppose this is also some questions generated, and this dashboard generated for that. So something you want to change in this dashboard, you can prompt and save, so this dashboard will be also updated for you. So this is also one of the new feature you can guess. You can just add here. And this AI chat and all I already mentioned in the previous video, so I don't think like I need to mention it here again. But like suppose you want to further dig down for this dashboard itself, so that also can be you can be done by using this. So yeah, I mean this is one more new feature that has been added, like this enhanced dashboard and all. You can have a list view, you can have a full view like this. So this is all about the dashboard recently enhancement, and I'll show you some new feature added again in the chart. So if you see here, a new icon has been added like Convo mode. So what this Convo mode is, so when you turn this on, so this chatbot will be aware of my previous conversation as well. So it can understand my older conversation. So I will query something. Mm, so recently it just created the that just give show me the data that system has related the representative ID, quota, and all this stuff, and you can see like this these details as well. I don't want to go to this to tab again like I already discussed this in the last video. So this convo mode is on, so I will ask something this regard something related to this. I think I need to modify something. It again goes for this 20. Okay, so you can see like with the older conversation also it is able to identify and understand the whole context and all. So it might be looks very small thing, but in technical perspective it has its own advantages because like this system itself is not just a chatbot like simple chatbot like ChatGPT and all. It's a agentic application and what can be happen like while you are querying something, right? So your questions are pretty different from the from pretty can be unrelated with each other and something can be related, right? So to separate this layer you need to have this conversation and conversation mode on and off so that there can be each question can have their own context, own answer for your question, and sometimes it can have like related questions and related answers. So for user follow-up questions and uh, like for related context related questions, so this mode has been introduced. And when if you don't need to be like they to be related from each other, so you can just turn it off. So this is one more feature. And the best thing right now, this chatbot has it, in RAG system, there are a lot of internal improvements. So we have also, I mean, I have also added something graph database in my system. Before it was hybrid RAG system, hybrid approach. But recently, also I have introduced this, a GraphDB, so that it can also be run on the like relation basis of the schemas and all. So you can see like how this database is storing data and all. So it's pretty cool. So how the relation has been managed inside in the database. And right now, the efficiency of this RAG system is pretty improved, and the output it is producing is more even further accurate. So LLM will require will consume even less less amount of token consumption, and the accuracy can be also it can also further improve and all. So yeah, I mean this is all about the recent improvement. Uh, Comment me if any suggestions or anything you found flaws or all. So yeah, that's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.